Hi friends, this is Joy Banerjee again, and this is the second video of that particular series. And if you missed out the first one, you can go back and check it out. The link right below in the description. Okay, so this is the second video on which we will be setting up our WordPress, and we have already downloaded it from WordPress.org, and now this time we will be setting up our custom domain and as well as get the hosting. Okay, so I have a hosting plan of Hostgator, and that is the best one which I can offer with you. So you can choose this hostgator.com and pick a plan which you want. So I will show you what are the plans you can go for. So I will be asking you to go to hostgator.com and go to web hosting. So if you go to the web hosting, there will be three plans, which is hatching plan, baby plan, and business plan. So you can concentrate on these two plans rather going into the business plan. So my recommendation is to go to the baby plan, as I have this baby plan for I registered it for 3 years. Okay, so this will give you unlimited domain, unlimited disk space, and unlimited bandwidth. So this is the best one which I choose for. So if you want to book this particular plan, and I will give you a coupon code which will give you 25% instead of getting 20% of discount, which will be a Techie World 215, and that coupon code is also there in the description from where you can pick it up and book the hosting for you. Okay, and before you go for the hosting, you must require a domain. Either you book it from hostgator.com, they also provide a solution on which you can book their own domain. And what I do is I prefer to go with crazydomains.com, and they do provide good amount of deals, and on which I prefer to get the domain from them. So once I get the domain, then I go to the hostgator.com and book a hosting for that particular domain. Okay, so let me show you how you can really get the plan going. Okay, so let's say I'm picking it up for 1 year. So I would prefer to at least go for 1 year if you are not really going for 3 years, because I'm good with it. I'm using it for 6 years, the HostGator service, and they are being good. So I will be going with this. So once you click the order now, so by default there will be a coupon code which has been added, and that will be giving you a 20% discount. If you go to the right bottom, you can see Snappy, which has been enabled, and you're getting some discount of what you can say about you just need to get pay of $95 instead of 119. Okay, so what you do is you just need to really remove these options which you don't want to pay unnecessarily at this moment, right? And this will also reduce the total cost of that particular package. Okay, so here you can put a new domain which you want to really book from HostGator. Either you book it from crazy domain. The links are below in the description, which you give you to book your domain from crazy domain. And let's say I have a domain with me. Okay, so I will put a domain, let's say techieworld.in. So this is the domain which I have. Okay, so it will search. Okay, yes, this domain is there. So it also give you a suggestion. Okay, you can pick these domains if you want, right? So I already have a domain. I will choose this option, and I've already put in the package name. Okay, so you need to put a username which you can remember, and let's say I put it joy b 81. Okay, and also a security pin which you want to really remember with. Okay, so that will be a keeping in reference when you do any transaction with HostGator. They will ask for a pin as a security pin, so you need to memorize whatever the pin you have set it up. Okay, and then also important is you must mention a email address which is fully functional and you have the access to it, because all the credentials, all the rest of the communication will be done by the HostGator. Will All the notification will be sent to that particular email address. And you fill up all the details. You choose a credit card or PayPal. Again, that is your choice which you want to pick from. Okay, so I will go with rest of the options, and I will put our discount coupon, which will, at this moment you can see you are getting this particular deal for $95. So I will put our discount coupon, which is 215, and if I do a validate, it will cut down to 25%, and you will get this deal up to $89, 89.55, and you will accept this and create account. So once you hit this, there will be an email which is there to your email address which you have mentioned here. So that will give you your login link, and as well as the ID and password which you have set up. Okay, so I've already have the account with me. So this is the control panel link which I got in the email. So I will put my user ID there and also the password so that I can log in here. Okay, something is not correct. Let me check once more. Okay, this time goes through and I'm logged in. So I'll be showing you the manual installation, which is more important to understand about the WordPress. You can choose for auto install. I will show you from where you can do a one-click install. But I do prefer a manual install. But you can to save the time, you can go with one-click install. I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so this is how you set up all the things. Okay, so this is a control panel, a C panel which has been open, and you can go down to add new domains. Okay, if you click here, you will put your new domain which has been added, which you have registered from crazy domain. Okay, so I will add that particular domain here. So let's say you can put it as, okay, so it says this is the correct domain, and then you put all the information. Okay, and then password, and then add domain. So this is very straightforward. So once you once you have done this particular step, okay, so you will go back to home. You will go back to the home, and you need to again go to the section called software and services and go to quick install. So this option will give you a one-click install of the package. Okay, so let me check. Let's say this is the installation which I've done in the past. So let me remove it and show you up how you can do it again. Okay, so I will do an install. So I will go to the WordPress package. This is the WordPress. Okay, so I will click continue. So I'll choose the domain on which I want to install, and this time it was the same domain, which is astrologyhelp.tk. This is a demo site which I choose. Okay, so let's say I do it as my email address here. Okay, so make sure you're putting a correct email address which is working, because again if you want to do any password reset, all the information will be go there. So this is a test, sorry, this is a test website. Okay, and I will set it up test admin. Okay, and let's say my first name I will put here Joy, and the last name is, okay. So this is the simple steps which you need to follow, and you need to hit install now. So this is a one-click install. This is a single click which you need to do, and once this green bar completes and the 100% is get completed, so your installation is complete and you're ready to really work with your WordPress site. Okay, so it says congratulations, all the setting has been done. So you need to really note down these three things. Okay, so you need to open a notepad and copy paste this and save it somewhere where you can recall. Okay, so it has a username, it has a password on which you can log in. So you can right click here, right click on the link and open a new window. So this will open and it will give you a login panel. Okay, it will ask us to give the user ID and you will get as test admin, and our password is, let me copy it. It's a very weird password, I cannot recall it at this moment. The first step which we do is we will definitely reset the password. Okay, so I will go to the hit login and it will take me to the admin section from where we will do all the changes and all the customization of our blog. So it will give you all the control features. Okay, so this is a dashboard from where we will controlling our WordPress site. So you can right click and oh, you can just take your mouse here and the view site will be there, and right click and open new window. So this will give you a little bit of look how it looks at the first look. Okay, so then the first thing is to change the password which is there. So you need to go to the user section and click all user. So I will go to edit and you need to scroll down and here is the password you need to put in. Okay, so make sure your password matches. It says mismatch, so I need to really enter the password again. Okay, so it says the password is weak, but it does match. Okay, so I will hit update. So my profile has been updated and new password is now updated, so I can log in with that particular password. Okay. Okay, so this is a one click install which we have seen. Okay, so now I will show you how you can install manually. So this is again your choice. Do you want to really install manually or not? But I just need to really share with you how you can do it manually as well. Okay, so you need to go to back to the control panel again, and we will go to the file manager and select the domain on which we have done the installation and hit go. So as we have done the installation on the root, so we will be creating a subfolder as a demo, and we will upload our WordPress package on that particular folder, and then we will do the installation. Okay, so there should not be any conflict on existing installation which we have done. just just to show you how you can do it manually, so that's why I'm showing it up. Okay, so you need to create a new folder, and if you want to do it right from the beginning in manually, so you don't need to create any folder. You just need to really upload the WordPress directly to this root directory of the website. Okay, so you will click new folder and let's say it's a demo site. So you can see the directory has been created. Now you need to upload the file, and let me locate where it is downloaded. So in my case it is downloaded in the download directory, and I will locate for the WordPress. And okay, you can see this is WordPress 4.0, so I will do the upload. So it says start uploading. So once the upload is completed, then we will start our next act. Okay, now you can see this has been uploaded, and I will close this page and I do a quick refresh. Okay, so now you can see this is a zip folder. Okay, so I need to really extract this, so we will be doing it here. Again, I need to do a quick refresh. So this is the directory. So what I will do is I will go inside this directory and move all the files which are located. Okay, so I will do a select all and I will hit move. Okay, so I will move to the demo site, all the files. Okay, so I will hit move. So you can see all the files are being moved from here. Okay. Okay, so next step would be to set up a database. So for that, what I will do is I will go to the control panel and I will go to a section from where we can set up a database. Okay, so I will go to MySQL database in the database section, and I will create a new database. Okay, so let's say it's a test WP. Okay, so I will create a database by hitting create database. Okay, so I will go back. I also need to create a user for this particular database. So for that, I will go here and I will do as test user. Okay, I will also put a password. Let's say, okay, so I will hit create user. Okay, now I've created a user and I've also created a database. Okay, so now I need to use or associate. Sorry, now I have created a user and as well as I've created a database. So I will associate a database with a user now. Okay, so my database is that is test WP. Okay, and I will choose the user which I've created, that is test user. Okay, I will hit add. So it will ask me to provide some permission. So what I will do is I will give the all privileges. Okay, and make changes. So I will hit go back. So right now my database is set up and I have also uploaded the install directory under demo section. Okay, and this is the previous install which you have seen last time. So now we will see how we can do a manual install. Okay, so for doing the manual install, we have already uploaded the WordPress install on a directory called demo sites. Okay, okay, so I will go to that path. Okay, so what I will do is I will open a new window. So I will hit here demo sites. So I need to remove it. Okay, so we need to type demo site after the domain name. That is our new directory which I have created. So you can see this is a new installation window for WordPress 4.0. Okay, it is asking me to provide the language on which I want to do the installation. So there is some language are being available which you can choose. Okay, so we will choose English United States and click continue. Okay, so it also gives you the things which you need before doing the manual install. So these are the things which we need. We already have it. Okay, so let's okay, and then I will put the WordPress database name, so which is Let me just check it out. uh, our database is this. Okay, and the username is sorry, this is the user. Okay, and our database is, that is, test WP. Okay, so this is our database name, this is our user. Okay, so I will put the password here. Let it be localhost, and uh, let it be the prefix WP. Okay, and I will hit submit. So I will put the password and hit submit, and we'll see the next window. Okay, okay, so you can see it says all things are good. Now you're ready to install. So what you need to do is you will hit run install. Okay, so it gives us a information which we need to pull in. Okay, so here I will put as test website. Okay, demo site. Okay, and let the username is test admin, and let me put the password. Okay, and again you need to put the email address which is functional, and hit install now. Okay, install WordPress. Okay, so it says all success, and you will hit login. Okay, so what I will do is before I log in, I will show you the direct link. Okay, you can see this is our manual install which is under demo site. Okay, so what I will do is I will remove this WP login and hit demo site. Okay, so you can see this gives us a different site. This is altogether a different site which we have installed manually. It says as test website under demo site, and this was our previous install which we have done from the quick install, and that has installed in the root directory. That's test website, and this is test hyphen demo site. Okay, so let me log in to this to check all the things are fine. Cool. So you can see now our manual install is also completed, and now we will discuss about the other options which we have and how to really do the customization and setting up our blog on WordPress. Okay, so hope this video is informative. I do require your queries and questions, whatever you want to really post in this particular video, in the right below in the comment section, and do like my video. And this is Joy Banerjee signing off from Techie World. Okay, best of luck.